morning. I'd like to welcome you to Blacktown Fire Station. As part of our open week, we're going to have you ride along with us for the day. My name's Station Officer Brad Hogel. You can see behind me we've got two vehicles. We've got a rescue pump and we've got a technical rescue. So I hope you enjoy the day and I hope we make it interesting for you.
My name's Jason Taylor. I've been in fire and rescue now for 6.5 years. My job today is to make sure that this truck is roadworthy, to make sure that all the equipment is checked, make sure all the equipment is on the vehicle and ready and available to go. The alarms you hear in the background are us checking our breathing apparatus, and it's our distress signal unit that we're testing to see if it's still working. So if we're trapped in a fire, the distress signal unit will activate. That means we're in need of assistance urgently.
My name is Kirk Stevenson. I've been in the job for 5 years, at Blacktown for about a year and a bit. So not only are we firefighters, we're also cleaners. So especially in this day and age, we need to keep the place nice and clean, and for us and for the next shift. So I'm cleaning the bathrooms.
So today we're checking, it's Saturday, we check all our hoses, make sure we have the proper inventory of our hoses and make sure the hoses are correctly stowed.
A big part of our job is just the day-to-day running of the fire station. First up, check all my emails, pass on any information from the department, the hierarchy that the firefighters need to know, coordinate all the training that we might have to do for the day, ordering, receiving of all of our orders and gear that's coming in, and just general maintenance around the station.
Okay, this is our MDT, Mobile Data Terminal. We receive our fire calls from this, so when we get a fire call, this panel will light up flashing with the call, so a house fire. We press the buttons and you'll see that we have 1 to 6 on our screen, and when we get a call we press 1 and that acknowledges that we're going to the call, and then we read what's happening at the call, and when we arrive on scene we press number 3 and it lets our communication centre know that we have arrived on scene and that we're code 3 is what we call it. Code 4 is available to respond. Code 5 is when we return to station, we'll code 5 back at station. Code 6 that we've gone into the Rural Fire Service District area, and then when we're going to do hydrant checks and stuff like that, we'll press mobile, so they know we're just driving around the area.
Rescue Bump 63, code 3 from Barty's Road, crosses Sunnyhole Road. We have a single vehicle MVA. Car is actually rolled off the road and into a creek bed. Information from police, all persons are out of the vehicle. Continue 43 at this point in time. SA 63 will be IC as Blacktown Control, making further investigation.
Motor vehicle accident. The driver has rolled their vehicle into the creek. The young lady is out of the vehicle and all safe. We're just going now to make sure there's no environmental damage to the creek line.
Police were already on scene when we got here. We found that a vehicle had gone over the embankment and into a creek bed. Both the passengers were already out when we arrived on scene. I kept 43 Seven Hills Station coming just in case we needed some extra manpower to work out how we're going to get the car out of the creek now. Both of the patients are in the ambulance and they're probably just getting assessed and maybe get transported to hospital. So we're just going to be here in a short time until we work out how to get the car out.
The patient's been checked out by the ambulance. We've put environmental controls because the oil spill in the creek. The area is now rendered safe, and we're about to leave and head to a hazard reduction to assist the rural fire service.
We've now come out to Kenthurst to help our friends here from the Rural Fire Service carry out a hazard reduction. Belinda's just joined us from the academy. It's her second day with us. Never been to a hazard reduction before, so we're going to get her to grab a drip torch here and light up some bush and see what the hazard reduction's all about. Hope you've had a good day driving around with us today. We've got another call to go to, so we've got to get going. We'll see you next time.